Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to stop or remove the anti-malware service executable on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you'd rather use a different antivirus software or you want to see, if this is particularly what's causing the issue, and keep in mind that you should have some sort of antivirus protections enabled on your computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on search menu and then kailangan mo na i-type yung settings and then click mo lang itong open. So dito sa settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung privacy and security. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa privacy and security, dito lang sa security ay kailangan mo na i-tap tong Windows security. So click lang natin yan. And then dito sa Windows security, ito yung pinakauna lang na Windows security is your home to view and manage the security and health of your device. And then kailangan mo lang i-tap tong open Windows security. And then dito sa Windows security, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung virus and threat protection. So click lang natin yan. And then next step dito sa virus threat protection settings, yung pinakauna lang. And then kailangan mo lang i-click tong manage settings. So click lang natin yan. Okay. So kung paano ba natin i-stop or remove yung anti-malware service. So ito yung pinakauna lang. Ito yung real-time protections. So locates and stop malware from installing or running on our device. So kailangan lang natin ito i-turn off. Okay. So click lang natin itong button niya. And then if you receive user account control, and then click mo lang itong yes. Ayan, so real-time protection is out. So, ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. And then, next naman ay pwede natin i-perform yung quick scan. So, click mo lang itong scan options. And then, sinika lang dito na quick scan, full scan, custom scan na dito siya. And then, pwede mo namang i-view yung allowed traits. Makita mo lahat dito. And then, same naman dito yung protection history. So, makita mo dito. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to stop or remove the anti-malware service executable on your Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.